Hi, and welcome to CPAAccountant'sIrvine.com. Does your business need an outside accountant? It all depends. If you require an audited or reviewed financial statement, then yes, you need a CPA. In any event, it is always good to maintain a relationship with an accountant no matter how small your business. Whether your accountant is a CPA is entirely up to you. The real question is, to what extent do you need outside accountant services? That also depends on the nature of your business. Irvine CPA always starts with the admonition, the buck stops with you. You cannot afford to disassociate yourself from understanding the meaning of your financial statements. If you solely rely on your accounting staff or accountant for completely accurate financial data, then you are asking for trouble. If you are going to be an owner or manage your business, and you have a responsibility how to learn and speak the language of business. The language of business is accounting knowledge. How involved you become in the accounting process will be determined by time schedules, your mental predisposition, desire for control, cash flow, etc. One scenario, if you can afford it, is to hire an internal accounting staff to prepare financial statements on a monthly basis and have an external accountant check them over. Another common scenario is to prepare part of the compilation yourself, such as preparing a sales journal and cash disbursements journal, and then hire an outside accountant to prepare bank reconciliation and financial statements for you. Some do this on a monthly basis, others quarterly. Some business owners do the books themselves all year and turn them over to an accountant at the end of the year to verify balances and do the depreciation entry for tax purposes. There are numerous ways to work with an accountant. Regardless, you should learn enough about accounting to be able to communicate intelligently with your accountant. Since you are intimately involved in your business, you may recognize danger signals that not even your accountant could see. So how do you select an accountant? Relying on the yellow pages to find an accountant can be risky. The best way to find any professional is by a referral. However, you need to interview prospective accountants before signing on. One of the first priorities is to find out what their experience level is. Your business may have very specific accounting and tax issues that require a certain amount of expertise. Perhaps you have a manufacturing concern. What does the accountant know about raw materials, work in process, and finished goods inventory accounting? Does the accountant know how to set up job costing and overhead burdens? Keep in mind that you may go to an established firm with a good reputation, but with whom are you going to have a relationship? Is your account large enough to warrant a relationship with a partner? You need to feel confident with the person assigned to your account. Perhaps a smaller firm with 4 or 5 accountants who are all seasoned veterans might work better. You will also want someone with whom you can relate. The ability to communicate is a crucial factor. Your accountant may be technically proficient, but can you understand what he or she is telling you? Does he or she listen when you ask questions? Don't be afraid to ask for someone else if you're having difficulty communicating. Irvine CPA notes another important criteria is accessibility. Is your accountant too busy to talk to you? Can you get your questions answered within a reasonable period of time? Do you feel important to him or her? Situations may arise where you need information immediately to make an important business or tax decision. Will your accountant respond quickly? Last but not least, there are accountants' billing practices. Billing practices vary from firm to firm. Some firms are very aggressive and put tremendous pressure on staff and partners to bill every minute they can. Some firms require a review process before any work goes out the door. This means that every person who performs any work on your account, including the person who puts the stamp on the envelope, bills you for it. For more information and to schedule a free consultation, please visit us at cpa-accountant-irvine.com.